Hi guys, it's Ellie, and in this Sculpd pottery tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a trinket dish. Okay, so to make our trinket dishes we're going to need a couple of items on top of what's in your Sculpd kit. So you're going to need a flat work surface, a rolling pin, some non-stick paper, a bowl or any item that you want to form your trinket dish around, and I'm going to use a muffin tray to leave them to set on top of. So first of all I'm going to tear off a handful of the clay. I'm going to put the rest back in the resealable bag. And then you're going to make your clay into a ball. I'm using the non-stick paper so that the clay doesn't stick to the rolling pin. And then I'm going to start rolling out the clay into a circle. Roll the clay until it's about half the thickness of your finger. You don't want it too thin, otherwise your trinket dish might have cracks. Take your small dish and place it on top of your clay. You can either cut around the dish with a knife, but I'm just going to press down and twist until I've cut through to the bottom of the clay. And now I'm tearing off the rest. Then I'm going to remove the clay and I'm going to smooth down the edges. I'm going to cut off around the edge any bits that aren't very neat. You can use water to get a smoother edge. And then I'm going to take my round piece of clay and I'm going to put it over the back of the muffin tray. I'm going to use the smoother side underneath so that I can smooth out these cracks after I've put it down. And then I'm going to lightly press down on the edges and mould them onto the tray. Now I'm going to use the water and my sponge to smooth out any cracks and creases on top. Dry on their moulds for 24 to 48 hours. When they're bone dry, they should slip right off. I'm going to take off a few of mine now to show you what they'll look like. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Head to our website for more inspiration and pottery tutorials. Can't wait to see what you'll come up with.